Okay, this video is how to use Excel to basically do a hypothesis test for means. So good credit score. The Fair Isaac Corporation, the FICO credit score, is used by banks and other lenders to determine whether someone is a good credit risk. Scores range from 300 to 850, with a score of 720 or more indicating that a person is a very good credit risk. An economist wants to determine whether a mean FICO score is lower than the cutoff of 720. She finds that a random sample of 100 people had a mean FICO score of 703 with a standard deviation of 92. Can the economist conclude that the mean FICO score is less than 720? Use the alpha of 0.05 level significance. Okay, so it's a hypothesis test. So the first thing to do is write the HO. Right, this is sub O, so I can't really do anything else. I can't input this. So hypothesis alternative. This is my null hypothesis, and this will be my alternative hypothesis, okay? Let me write H0, because that looks funny. So H0, there we go. All right, so I'm going to write my null and alternative hypothesis here. So, right, we are talking about means, my mean, so it says the mean FICO score, so we are talking about mu's, and so my alternative, my null is always mu equals something, so, and we want to determine if it's less than 720, so our null is that mu equals 720. Our alternative is that mu is less than 720. Less than 720. So there's my null and alternative hypothesis. All right, so that sets up what we have. What else we have here? So, all right, so we take a random sample. She finds that in a random sample of 100 people, we had a mean score of 720. So for our sample, FICO sample, we have a mean of 703. This is our sample, so this is our X bar. We have a standard deviation of 92, and we had an N of 100 people. So, all right, so this right here is our mean, this is our standard deviation, and this is our N. And this is a label that we have up here. I need to put it in this order to run the hypothesis test in MegaStat. So here we go. So MegaStat, so I want MegaStat, add-ins, MegaStat, hypothesis test, mean versus hypothesized value is what we're doing. So we don't have data input, we have a summary input. So with the label, the mean, the standard deviation, and the N, just the way we want it. I can't enter it in here, I have to select the cells. So now I'm going to put in my hypothesized mean, which is 720, right? 720, mu is 720. That's what we're saying. We are doing a t-test. Our alternative is, right, less than. So we're going to go to less than. Right, and this doesn't matter unless we want to do a confidence interval at the same time. We click OK, and what we get is a p-value. So there's our p-value. Here's also our test statistic as well. Our p-value, right? The main thing is that we're trying to determine whether to reject it or not. And our p-value, right? We do this by saying our p-value is less than alpha. So, which is true in this case. This is true, so we reject the null. and then we can write the statement and everything. So right, this is less than, this p-value is less than 0.05, which is our alpha. Okay, I hope you enjoy this and your homework too. Good luck.